Hi, it's Seth H, and today I'm going to be trying to solve my first Rubik's Cube for my first time. It's already a little scrambled, but my dad's going to scramble it up some more, so...
No peeking.
Yeah, this would be
Very well scrambled. This thing has been scrambled a lot.
Okay. And this will be my first time ever solving it without a video or anything.
Good luck.
Okay? And I will be timing myself in also with this so you guys can see. Okay, I guess I'm ready.
Good luck.
I'll start this and then, or I'll start.
I'll do this.
Okay.
Ready?
Get set. Wait. Ready? Get set. Go. I'll do the best I can. No! Stop it!
Nope, it's not.
Oh.
Keep going.
Start. Thought it was solved. Okay. Done!
That's it.
It's done!
Wow, Seth. That's your first time to ever solve a Rubik's Cube.
Not very fast.
That's pretty good.
1350.9.
High five.
0. It's all solved. Each.
That was impressive. That was really amazing. Good job, Seth.